You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more names from the Bible as well. Biblical names many struggle with. So stay tuned to the channel, but let's break down the pronunciation. Jephunneh. Jephunneh. Stress on the second syllable. Jephunneh, the father of Caleb, who was Joshua's companion in exploring Canaan. Jephunneh. Jephunneh. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps a lot. Thanks for that, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.